Om Saira, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. In today's episode, I want to share a recent and astonishing blessing of Baba in my life. This miracle amazed me and my family, and I'm sure you will be equally astonished when you hear it. Throughout my life, I have experienced numerous blessings and miracles from Baba, some of which I have already shared with you in previous episodes. However, this recent incident left me speechless beyond anything I could have ever imagined. This particular miracle is related to finalizing the previous episode of this satsang series. As many of you know, I release a new episode highlighting Baba's blessings and miracles every Thursday at 6 p.m. without fail. I usually prepare the episodes well in advance to ensure they are ready for timely upload. However, last week was different. Due to a busy schedule involving family functions and some health issues, I couldn't finalize the 56th episode on time. Moreover, I faced technical issues with my laptop, which made the process even more challenging. My laptop battery discharges quickly, and if I don't save my recordings immediately after editing, they often get deleted. For every episode, I typically need at least an hour to an hour and a half for recording, editing, and finalizing. Adding to the complexity, I create each episode in three languages: English, Hindi, and Telugu. Those familiar with running a YouTube channel will understand the challenges of such a detailed process. I am sharing all of this background so you can better understand the miracle of that Baba performed. For 56th episode, I began recording the Telugu version and completed it successfully. Then, although it was late, I recorded the English version. By the time I finished, it was well past 11:30 p.m. and I was utterly exhausted. I realized I couldn't continue editing that night, but leaving the recording unedited was risky because it could get erased. Completely drained, I prayed to Baba saying, "Baba, I cannot do any more tonight. Please take care of this for me. I will finalize it tomorrow." With that prayer, I went to bed. It was already midnight, but I couldn't fall asleep or bring myself to complete the work. The next morning, the first thing on my mind was to finalize the English version. However, my daily household works delayed me. After finishing my work, I prayed to Baba before starting any recording and opened my laptop to check the recorded file. What I saw left me completely amazed. The recording, which I feared might have been deleted, was intact, fully corrected, edited, and ready for upload. This was really beyond belief. Normally, it takes me an hour to edit and finalize a 10-minute episode. Yet, here it was perfectly edited and finalized without me having done anything. I was in complete shock. I replayed the recording multiple times to ensure I wasn't imagining. Everything was flawless. In that moment, I realized that this was undoubtedly Baba's miracle. He had taken care of everything for me when I was unable to. Overwhelmed with gratitude, I found myself in tears. I couldn't stop thanking Baba for his divine intervention. I prayed, "Oh Baba, how can I ever thank you enough? You are always by my side, protecting and guiding me. I can only wash your feet with my tears as a token of gratitude. Please bless me with the strength to continue serving you with dedication and devotion." I shared this experience with my family, and my son initially thought I might have finished the editing myself and forgotten about it. However, after recording it, I explained that I hadn't touched the file. Due to my laptop's technical issues, I normally never close it without completing the editing and saving the file. Yet that night, I was too tired and had left it unfinished, entrusting everything to Baba, which I remember very well. When my son realized this, he understood it was Baba's miracle. Together, we went to Baba's shrine in our home and offered our heartfelt thanks to Baba for this divine blessing. If you haven't listened to the 56th episode in English, I encourage you to do so. Baba himself finalized it, and I believe listening to it will also bring you closer to Baba's blessings. This experience has strengthened my faith in Baba even more. It has reaffirmed my belief that Baba is always with us, especially in our moments of need. Since I started this channel, I have noticed repeatedly that I am merely an instrument in His hands. Baba decides what needs to be done in each episode. As Sri Sai Sacharita states, nothing is in our hands. Baba orchestrates everything. Without his will, not even a leaf can move. I feel incredibly fortunate to receive Baba's blessings, to serve him in this way, and to pass his divine blessings to all of you through this channel. I constantly pray to Baba to bestow his blessings upon us and guide us in every aspect of our lives. Let us meet again in the next episode with another amazing story of Baba's blessings. Until then, stay blessed and keep your faith strong. Om Sai Ram.